In today's fast-paced digital world, companies need to be vigilant against potential cyber attacks. Our SAP Security monitoring software provides an intelligent solution that protects your organization's sensitive data and ensures secure access to your SAP systems. And all that without breaking the bank. With our SAP Security monitoring software, your team can easily identify and track unauthorized activities. All that reutilizing what you already own. Why you need to spend several $100,000s if you can reutilize your SIEM and your trained personnel. Our product provides multiple layers of detection against unauthorized access. For example, if an SAP user tries to log in several times with incorrect credentials, our product will automatically alert your SOC team so they can take action. SAP Security monitoring software uses advanced threat detection technology to identify potential threats and help you stop them before they can do any harm. The software continuously monitors the SAP systems for suspicious activities, protecting your sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. And if it detects a potential threat, it takes immediate action to stop the attack. With SAP Security monitoring software, you can focus on your core business activities with the peace of mind that your most critical assets will be safe and secure. Get started with SAP Security monitoring software today and protect your organization from potential cyber threats. Call us now and get your installation 100% free of charge.